How's it, grade nines? Today's going to be a very quick lesson. We've only got these two examples over here, but it's very important, as you will get these type of questions in an exam or a test. So, example 3, the question will always say without the use of a calculator. Okay, so first of all, we've got something to the power of something raised to another power, so we multiply those exponents. All right, minus. Here we've got something all raised to the power of 0. Now remember, anything to the power of 0 is always 1. So that entire thing will become 1. Okay, I'm just going to simplify this exponent. So we get minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, minus 1. Now remember that this is over an invisible 1, and it has a negative exponent, so it wants to be at the bottom. So this becomes 1 over 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. Now we can actually work this out because we have numbers here. So this will be 1 over 2 squared is 4 minus 1. And then you can actually work out what 1 over 4 minus 1 is. And we should get minus 3 over 4. Okay. So expect something like this in your exam or even your cycle. All right. I just need to copy down example 2, or B rather. Okay, so we have example B. Okay, again, without the use of a calculator. So let's work with this one first. It has a negative exponent, so it doesn't want to be in this place. So it wants to be up at the top. So we get 3 to the 1 plus. Now, this has an invisible exponent there and there. We have something to the power of something raised to another power. So we multiply those exponents. So that will be 1 times minus 1 over. Again, something to the power of something raised to another power. We multiply those exponents. Equals 3 to the 1 plus. What I'm going to do is just simplify these two exponents. So we get 2 to the power of 1 times minus 1 is minus 1 over 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. 3 to the 1 plus. He's at the top, but he wants to be at the bottom because it's negative. He's at the bottom, but he wants to be at the top because he's negative. So I'm just going to flip both of them. And we get 3 to the 1 over 2 to the 1. Okay. Now remember, guys, anything to the power of 1 is whatever that number is. So basically what we have here is 3 plus 3 over 2. And then you can work with whatever that is just by getting an LCD, times that by 2, which is 6, plus that is 9, all over 2. Okay. Right, grade 9s. That's the two examples for today. What I would like you to do for homework for me is exercise 5.2, number 2 for me, please.